Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. This short tutorial will give you a hint on how to restore properties of your AutoCAD entities. First, we need to talk about what kind of properties do AutoCAD entities have. There's four main properties which can be restored if changed by mistake. These are color, layer, line type, and line type scale. For example, let's change some of these bars properties manually. Let's see. I will change these lines line type back to by block. I will change the color of this bar. Let's make it red. I will change the layer of this generation line to def points. I will also change the color for this one and the line type scale for this one. Let's make it 1. And if you choose restore properties from the menu ribbon, then you will have to select your bars or just simply select everything. The program knows what to change and what not to change. Press space or enter and choose which properties to restore. I will check all these boxes. Click OK. And if we did everything correctly, we should see these entities in their original form. And yes, even the layer is back to normal from def points. This color has changed back to blue, and the line type scale is back to 5 as it was before. And that's it. That's how you use the restore properties feature to quickly recover and reapply previous settings with confidence. It's a simple tool that can save time and ensure consistency across your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment your questions, or check out our other videos for more tips and workflows. Thank you for watching and see you next time.